Hello and welcome to my channel Missy Debs. In today's video I'm going to show you a remedy which will help us reduce our dark patches, redness, rashes and acne scars under our breast area. Well, this is a very useful remedy and a very easy one to make. So to prepare this helpful remedy, we will need neem powder, turmeric powder and rose water. Well, neem is full of antioxidant. Neem reduces pigmentation, dark spots, blemishes and any kind of redness on our skin, as well as neem has antibacterial and antifungal properties. So it will also help us to treat skin infections without drying our skin. So all you have to do is you have to take teaspoon of neem powder and just a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric is antibacterial and it will lighten your skin, as well as it will also help you to reduce your acne scars under our breast area. Now to prepare this pack, I have added 2 teaspoons of rose water so that it mixes into a pack. If you require more rose water to make it into a pack, you can apply according to your consistency requirement. Now when the pack is ready, you just have to apply under your breast area. Keep it for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with any damp towel or cold water, whatever you prefer. Well, the combination of the both ingredients will help in reducing scars left by any acne or pimple, as well as it will also, help us to get rid of dark patches and redness under our breast area, which is caused due to the friction of brassias or bras or any tight clothing that we wear. So this is a very helpful remedy because this pack is made out of herbal and ayurvedic ingredient, which is neem and turmeric. As we all know, by using neem and turmeric, many kind of medicines are prepared. I hope this video was quite helpful and useful. So do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.